Now, this is not the first time that our comics, our influencers, so to say, in this digital era have attracted controversy. Remember, comedian influencer Veer Das drew massive flag for the Two India monologue. Munawar Farooqui, who's right now backing Samay Raina, was targeted for hurting Hindu sentiments. He was even arrested briefly. Kunal Kamra, Tanmay Bhatt have received backlash over some of their comments. Many have been asking if the jokes, so to say, that they put forth are not really jokes. On the other, people have said this is freedom of speech. Let's listen in to some of the earlier controversies.
A crass joke that has invited the wrath of society and law. Ranveer Allahabadia, aka Beer Biceps, has been booked for his sex with parents joke, but it is not the first time that such a massive controversy has erupted over a joke. In 2021, famous comedian Veer Das faced backlash for his Two Indias monologue, accused of insulting India overseas.
I come from an India where we worship women during the day and gang rape them at night.
For this comment, Veer Das faced brickbats and a series of complaints as well. But he cleared the air, maintaining that it wasn't meant to demean the country overseas.
I think laughter is a celebration. And I think when a room fills up with laughter and applause, that's pride and that's joy. It's pure love. And I think any Indian with a sense of humor, who enjoys satire and who watches my entire video will know that's what happened in my video and will feel love and feel amazing.
In the same year, in 2021, comedian Munawar Farooqui was arrested in Indore after he was accused of hurting Hindu sentiments in a show where he mocked Hindu gods.
उसका काम है कब्र खोदने का.
And then there's controversy's favorite child, comedian Kunal Kamra. From facing death threats for his comments on the Indian Army to the Supreme Court, initiating contempt of court proceedings for his posts against the top court, Kamra has been making headlines for all the wrong reasons for years now. In 2016, stand-up comedian Tanmay Bhatt faced a crackdown by the Mumbai police over a mock conversation video that he made between Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar.
No, Virat, okay? Just yeah, so I was saying, no, I definitely very respectful for Virat. No, I don't get angry, very honestly. I don't. I just feel like... You know, Sachin, I also personally think that Virat is a better batsman.
This video sparked massive outrage, leading to cops pulling down the video. Tanmay, remember, was part of AIB, which shut shop in 2018 after Bhatt and Khamba were implicated in two separate sexual harassment allegations. The debate over dark comedy in India has led to arrests, complaints and a whole lot of online outrage. Bureau Report, India Today.